हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू नैनी ट्रेल्स। और आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट ऑल गियर आई यूज़ टू मेक माय यूट्यूब वीडियोस। So this is the gear that I use basically for mountain biking as well as motorcycling. So without further ado, here it is. First and foremost, the camera that I use is the GoPro Hero 5 Black along with the Karma grip. It provides excellent stabilization and that is how I get extremely smooth and flowy videos. GoPro Karma grip को माउंट करने के लिए मैं यूज़ करता हूँ GoPro का चेस्ट माउंट एंड द J hook that is there. इसको मैं माउंट करता हूँ upside down so that I get a better view. The other thing that I use for following someone is to mount this head strap along without the GoPro Karma grip, so it gives kind of a drone follow shot. Then if somebody is following me, then I usually mount the GoPro at the bottom of my cycle seat with these bar mounts, which I have right now mounted on a stick to get the follow shots of people. So this is quite handy. अगर आप किसी स्टिक में इसको माउंट करते हैं एंड इसके साथ आप कर्मा ग्रिप को भी माउंट करते हैं तो काफ़ी अच्छे ओवरहेड शॉट्स और फॉलो शॉट्स मिल जाते हैं लोगों के. सो दिस इज़ वन वे ऑफ mounting the GoPro apart from, away from your body. It's to mount it on a stick and it works really well. To get the time lapses, I usually use the GoPro mount that came along with the GoPro, and I use it on a Gorilla Pod or a tripod and record 4K time lapses straight from the camera itself. Next thing that I do is hyperlapses. For hyperlapses, I just walk along with the GoPro mounted on the Karma grip and make hyperlapses directly from it. That's the fastest way. All my video is edited here in this MacBook Pro, and the software that I'm using for editing is Final Cut Pro, and it's a great software. It gives me a lot of options. So the music that I use in my videos is usually downloaded from YouTube. It's from No Copyright Sounds. No Copyright Sounds has a ton of copyright free music for you to download, and you can use it on your videos. Please remember to give credit to these artists who have worked really hard to provide us with extremely good quality free music. So this is the process behind making the videos of Naini Trails. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and we will have a lot to share as we go through our life adventures. Have a nice day. Thank you.